Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening contacts in the same Google account that holds the old entries. This matters because each account has its own list. Once signed in, scan the left menu for labels and the search box. Make sure to export a backup now, CSV or vCard, so you can restore any contacts you remove. This first step prevents accidental loss. It's fast, and it saves time later if you need to undo changes. Now, locate the old contacts using search terms like last name, company, or an email domain. Filters and labels speed this up. You can click individual checkboxes or choose Select All to handle many at once. Once done, click the trash icon to delete. Google moves items to the bin, where they remain for 30 days, so this step is reversible during that window. Make sure to review selected items before confirming to avoid accidental deletions. Finish by opening the bin and choosing Empty Bin to permanently remove contacts, or restore selected items if you changed your mind. Remember, permanent deletion is irreversible. If deleted contacts reappear, make sure to check other synced accounts, mobile device sync settings, and any third-party apps that may re-import contacts. If something goes wrong, use the CSV or vCard backup you created to restore.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.